I'm going to start with my foundation on the base and blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with my contour palette from Pixi. I want to blend that out. And I'm going to go in with my concealer. And blend that out. I'm going to use the Sweetest Tea palette from Morphe Cosmetics. The color Day in the Life right here is the one I'm going to use first. And I'm going to go in with Such a Flirt. And then I want to use the Sugar Me color. Use this in the corner of my eye. Just want a lot of like glow for winter. And now I'm going to use this color called Chug Along. So now I'm going to use the Sweetest Tea, this dark brown right here. And I'm going to use this first color, Day in the Life, right here. I'm going to reapply some concealer under my eye to kind of clean up the area of eyeshadow falling. I'm going to go in with the Sweetest Tea color down here. Okay, so now I'm just blend this. I just use my finger. Alright, so I'm just going to brush them. And I'm also going to use this on my waterline. So I have this brown eyeliner. Pull it in right next to that red line. Okay, so now I want to go in with a little bit more eyeshadow underneath my eyes. So I'm going to use this Sweet Tea. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to do some cream contour. I use the Falsies from Maybelline. Now I just apply to my top lashes like normal. Okay. I actually use 2 mascaras. Just feel like different style wands really help to kind of give your lashes like all the length and all the fullness. The wand is a lot thicker on this mascara, so it does different things to my lashes. It's like a little dot. Now I'm going to do my lips. Alright, so I'm actually going to use the same color lip liner as I did for my eyes. Going to add a different lip pencil. This one is in Newberry Carmine. Oh, and this other darker shade, by the way, is called Hekla Barn Red. What do you think? Maybe. Okay. I want to add some beauty marks, so I'm going to use like a brown eyeliner. So I'm just going to put a set of little lashes on the outside. Okay, now I do want to add some gloss. This is Rose Meringue from Bite. All right. Okay, so that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup. I really like this red eyeliner and lip liner as eyeliner. I think it's really unique and super cute. So